Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be this super dramatic half cut crease using pinks, purples and blues kind of mushed up together into this one look with some silver glitter. Of course I had to put glitter somewhere in this look, but if you want to see how I did the look then please keep on watching. So as per usual, because what else is new, I'm placing the Plouise base all over the eye right up to my eyebrow. I had already pre-carved my brows, so I'm just going in with the Real Techniques blender sponge just to kind of pat that in place. Then I'm taking a really deep purple. It looks blue, but it's a blue based purple. That's what I'm trying to say. And I'm basically taking that on a really tiny blending brush and I'm mapping out the shape around my eye. But you can do this with eyeliner as well before you go in with the shadow, but the brush kind of does the work for you. Then I'm going to be taking a purple color and I'm very gently going around the edges with that just to diffuse that deeper purple. And then I'm taking a lighter pink color and I'm going around the edges, and I'm actually winging this quite far out because, like I said, I love drama and I wanted this look to be quite dramatic. Then I'm just taking some Duraline from Inglot, and if you don't know what Duraline is, it's basically magic in a bottle. And I'm carving out my crease because I'm going to be applying this Plouise base and I really don't want the kind of lighter sky blue to mix in with the darker purple. I think it just wouldn't look as nice. So I just carved it first just to get rid of any excess shadow so the base has a nice kind of clean skin to go onto. Then I'm just taking a sky blue eyeshadow and I'm patting this right over top of the base. I wish I had a color that matched the base a little bit more, but that kind of a blue is really hard to find. Then I'm just going to be blending in the outer corner into that purpley blue with a deep navy color, and I'm quite freely blending that into the outer corner and blending in with the rest of the blues. And then I'm going to be deepening this up with some black as well just to achieve a little bit of depth. Now I'm not going to be doing liner with this look, but by all means do some liner if you want that little bit extra darkness and smokiness into the eye. Then I'm going to be taking this white liquid liner from NYX and I'm going to be drawing my crease line with that. Basically, you can kind of skip this step anyway, but I want my glitter to have a really light base because it's a silver glitter I'm using and I just want it to look the most bright as it can be. So I just put on some duo glue on my eyelid and then I just press the silver glitter right on top, and that is your glitter liner. Then I just took a little bit of concealer and I placed that underneath the eyes. Like I've said a million times before, I don't like the Plouise base underneath my eyes. I just find it a little bit too heavy. So I'm going with some concealer and then I'm going in with that purpley bluey shade first just to kind of tie the top and the bottom together, and then I'm blending this out with the kind of purple and the lighter pink colors just to tie everything together. And then for the inner corner I applied a blue that has a bit of kind of like a reflect to it. It's really pretty. And of course I had to finish off with some mascara and lashes because these sort of looks honestly look crazy without lashes. But this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!